What is the meaning of the word recall? As a noun, a request by the manufacturer of a defective product to return the product. As for replacement or repair, a call to return, a bugle call that signals troops to return. The process of remembering, especially the process of recovering information by mental effort. The act of removing an official by petition. Examples of use: the recall of our ambassador. He has total recall of the episode. As a verb, summon to return. Cause one's or someone else's thoughts or attention to return from a reverie or digression. Make unavailable. Bar from sale or distribution. Cause to be returned. Examples of use: she was recalled by a loud laugh. The company recalled the product when it was found to be faulty. Recall is spelled R-E-C-A-L-L. Recall.